Ever wondered how commercial construction projects are delivered? Today, we'll delve into the various contract delivery methods that make these projects possible. These methods are the backbone of any commercial construction project, dictating how the process unfolds from start to finish. Imagine these methods as different paths leading to the same destination, a successfully completed construction project. Each path has its unique characteristics and challenges, and the choice of which to take depends on the specific needs, risks, and constraints of the project at hand. Among these paths, we find the design bid build, the design build, the construction manager at risk, and several others. Each of these methods has its strengths and weaknesses, and understanding them is crucial to making the right decision for your project. As we move forward, we'll discuss each of these methods in detail, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Stay tuned as we unravel the complexities of commercial construction. Now, let's dissect each contract delivery method one by one. First, we have the design bid build method, a traditional approach where the owner contracts separately with a designer and a builder. It's a sequential process offering more control over design, but it can be time-consuming and may lead to potential conflicts between the designer and the builder. Next is the design build method. Here, the design and construction services are contracted by a single entity. This method promotes collaboration and can fast-track projects, but it may limit the owner's involvement in the design process. Thirdly, we have the construction manager at risk method. The construction manager is involved early in the design process, providing input on cost and schedule. This method can help control project cost but may limit competitive bidding. Contrarily, in the construction manager not at risk method, the construction manager acts as a consultant to the owner in the development and design phases but does not bear the risk of construction. This method can provide more oversight for the owner, but the lack of risk on the construction manager's part may reduce their motivation for cost efficiency. We also have the multiple primes method, where the owner contracts with multiple contractors for different components of the work. This allows for more control over individual project aspects, but can cause coordination issues. The integrated project delivery method involves all key participants early in the process, promoting collaboration and shared risk. However, it requires a high level of trust and communication among all parties involved. Lastly, we have the public-private partnership method. This involves a government entity and a private company working together on a project. It can leverage private sector expertise and funding, but it also entails complex agreements and potential public scrutiny. Choosing the right method depends on the project's specific needs, risks, and constraints. For instance, a project with a tight schedule might benefit from the design build method, while a project with complex components might opt for the multiple primes method. Each method has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, and the choice heavily depends on the specific requirements and constraints of the project. Now that we've unpacked the different contract delivery methods, let's summarize what we've learned. Design bid build, and construction manager at risk each have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these can help determine which method best suits a project's specific needs, risks, and constraints. The design bid build method, for instance, is straightforward but may lack flexibility. Design build offers more control and faster delivery, but requires a high level of trust. The construction manager at risk method allows for early cost certainty, though it demands a collaborative relationship between the owner and the contractor. Similarly, contract types like lump sum, cost plus, time and materials, guaranteed maximum price, and unit price each have their own strategic implications. These can range from providing cost certainty to allowing flexibility in the face of unexpected project changes. Remember, the choice of contract delivery method can greatly impact the success of a commercial construction project. The professionals at National Commercial Development can help you navigate these decisions so that your company makes the right choice.